Okay, this video tutorial looks at how to create a multiple if statement. I'm going to put a multiple if statement in this cell here, which is cost per person per night, and the value of that cell will change automatically dependent on the type or the name of the room I have entered. If it's teak, if it's oak, beech or pine, will automatically put a different price in there, but depending on the if statement itself. So I'm in the cell there, cost per person per night. The actual value is in I24, so that's the cell I'm going to refer to within the if statement. I start off by an equal sign to show a formula, and then I say if I24 is equal to beech, then make the cost per night £65. Otherwise, carry out another if statement. If I24 is equal to pine, make that £75 per night. Otherwise, if it's neither of those two, carry out another if statement. If I24 is equal to let's say oak, then we'll make that one £100. Okay, now I've covered 3 of the room names. There is a 4th room name left, which is teak, and I'm going to make that one the dearest of them all. And I quite simply need just to type in there, to finish off the if statement, the value of the room for teak. Now if we look at that, we've got beech, we've got pine, we've got oak. If it's beech, it's £65. If it's pine, it's £75. If it's oak, it's £100. If it's none of those, then it must be teak, and the final then part of the if statement says £150. Now I've opened 3 brackets, so I need to close 3 brackets and press enter. Okay, so let's test that. I click on teak, yes, and there's £150. I click on oak, there's my £100. Click on beech, there's my £65, and finally I click on pine, and there's my £75. And that then is a multiple if statement using the room name as the value, and in this instance using 4 particular values, 3 of which we've named. The 4th is the final part of the if statement.